Don't ask me why, but on the top of this roof, when they ran the plywood, don't ask me why. This is half-inch plywood. It doesn't make sense that they wouldn't have went all the way to the ridge. So I'm thinking they had a leftover piece down here that they ran and then said, hey, we'll just run a leftover piece and then put it on a small piece at the top. The problem is this roof is like 2 foot on center, and there's a lot of give in that little 6-inch piece of plywood. That really needs to come off. It wasn't nailed down here properly either, so we need to remove that. All the way down this ridge is like that, and that's just terrible. It has so much. Yeah, this little small piece has to go. So in order to do that, we're going to fill it in from there to the top. And there are other places that were found. These vents right here, they are massive. I have no idea why they made these vents as big as they did. The hole on the vent isn't even near that big. It's not even near it. It's like this big. So there's not a vent for that. So are we going to take this plywood off, make a smaller hole, or do you remove the vents completely and put gable vents in this house, like maybe a power gable vent? I don't know what you want to do, but it does need to be vented for sure, or it will sweat like crazy. The thing that I'm noticing is because it's 2 foot on center, and when they built it, they didn't put any plywood clips in between. I'm getting a lot of that stuff right here in between them. I can nail it down over here, but it still leaves me a little thing. So we're gonna all right. So I'm gonna have my guys get a box of these gun nails and go through this thing, nailing it, because I'm just finding there's no nails in it. There's a nail here, clearly. There's a nail there, and there's a nail there. So they got 3 nails on each piece, and this is about 27 inches long there. On the 4-foot brakes, even gets worse, really. Yeah, it's pretty bad. That was 1 nail, so we'll leave that one. They put like 3 in the corner, but they put 1, 2, 3 in the first over half sheet. You got 1, 2, 3, and I still don't see the 4th one, and they're supposed to be nailed every 4 inches. You got going on 1 nail, 2. There was 1 there, 3, 4. They got 5 nails in the dadgum seams of this thing, and it's supposed to have 5 nails in the centers. All right,